What about the other two? Sell them? Okay. Hey guys, see a few people jumping in. We'll give it a couple minutes, let some guys join. We did have a couple teams not sell, so we'll offer them, and then we'll have a roll call and we'll get started. There we are. Hey Renee, good to see you again. Who you got in this one? Oh, Renee, she's got 4 teams in this one. Okay. All right, guys. So we did have 2 teams not sell. So the teams that we have available are Texans and Titans. So if you'd like the Texans and the Titans, we will offer those for $8 shipped if you have a team in the break. If you don't have a team in the break, we'll add shipping. So $8 for both Texans and Titans. Any takers out there? Ron, who are you trying to get and you missed out on?
All right,
Same.
Kendra. Okay. You tell her it's hers.
All right, Kendra, it's yours. You're the first one to say you wanted the extra teams. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Kendra. So if we'll drop our PayPal ID in the comments. If you'll send $8 there, you can add. We'll add the Texans and the Titans. Sorry, Joshua. Kendra already has them. So she bought both Texans and Titans. They went unbid on, so I feel bad auctioning them during the video since they went unbid on. Normally we try to sell them at cost if they go unbid on. Now, if somebody was to win a team and not pay, then we would start, near what the winning price went for and then work our way down. But okay, so let's do a roll call. I got Alex Coiney with the Dolphins. B. Schultz has the Packers. Kendra Shelton has Panthers, Seahawks, Texans, and Titans. David Glaskin has the Washington football team. Jeffrey Stonecipher has Eagles and Ravens. John Rebeck has Broncos, Browns, and Patriots. Josh Stiles has the Giants. Joshua Melton has the Bucks. Mark Matalavage has the Jets. Matt Schilling has Chiefs. Matthew Reynolds has Steelers. Michael Mostro has Vikings. Shane Homan has Bills, Cardinals, Jags, and Lions. Sean McCaffrey has the Rams. Sterling McBride has 49ers, Bengals, Colts, Falcons, and Saints. Tomoka Kajihiro has the Chargers. Victor Torres has Cowboys and Raiders. All right, Kendra, we got payment. Everybody's good to go. Hey, did I get it right? Nice. All right. It was a little iffy on that. I didn't even read ahead, so normally if I overthink it, then I butcher things. So I'm glad I got it right by accident. So it's pretty simple tonight, guys. I know Prizm's pretty hot right now. So we have 6 hangers, and these are the 20 card per box hangers. So got 6 of them. Hopefully we pull some fire, and then if everybody's happy, they'll come back next time we break some Prizm. So good luck, everybody. Hope we pull something nice for everybody. Oh yeah. So we have 2 breaks tomorrow night as well. We're going to be breaking playoff football and Mosaic. We got six hangers of Mosaic football that we're breaking tomorrow night. If any of you bid on any of the teams in those 2 breaks tomorrow night and win, let us know. Shoot us a message as soon as you win a team to let us know that you had teams tonight, and we can give you another shipping discount because we'll ship it all together. So just keep that in mind if you guys feel the itch to get in some breaks tomorrow night. Now, obviously, if we package everything separately and then you send us a message, we might not be able to do the same discount unless we catch it on our own. All right, here we go, guys. Larry Fitz, Cardinals. Anthony Barr, Vikings. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Curtis Samuel, Panthers. Brandon Cooks, Texans. Jordan Jenkins, Jets. Kenny Moore, Colts. Tyler Boyd, Bengals. Darius Slayton, Giants. Sammy Watkins, Chiefs. Terry McLaurin, Washington. Cleveland Farrell, Raiders. Evan Ingram, Giants. Kevin Byard, Green Prizm, to the Titans. And then we have our red ice Prizms. Nick Chubb having a good year for the Browns. Max Crosby, Raiders. Devontae Adams, Packers. AJ Epineza is our rookie for the Bills. And a brilliance insert, DJ Chark Jr. for the Jags. And Michael Ojemudia for the Broncos. Another rookie there. All right. Didn't find anything earth-shattering there. So obviously the hits are harder to come by in Prizm, but it makes the hits a lot more valuable. We do a lot of breaks where, it's rookies galore, and those are fun. I actually like those because I'm risk averse. So I don't really, when I'm buying into breaks, I'm pretty timid. But the Prizm is where you can find stuff that can really break the bank if you find the right Prizm. Yeah, let's get something up here. Yep. All right. Box number 2, DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Cameron Jordan, Saints. Alan Lazard, Packers. Kyler Murray. Lazard?
Yes.
Yeah, my bad. My bad, Alan. Kyler Murray, Cardinals. Josh Allen, Jags. Ken Anderson, throwback to the Bengals. Mike Gesicki, Dolphins. Devin Bush, Steelers. Willie McGintis. Look at that uniform. Man, this shoulder pads look huge. Patriots. Charles Woodson, throwback to the Raiders. Jim McMahon, I guess is a throwback back to the Bears. DeMarcus Lawrence, Cowboys. Cortland Sutton, Broncos. A Chad Johnson green prism to the Bengals. Cool card there. Our red ice, we got Quinnen Williams for the Jets. Brian Dawkins with the dark visor for the Eagles. Greg Zuerlein, Cowboys. You know, he's wearing the Rams uni. And our rookie is Raekwon Davis to the Dolphins. Not the Dolphins rookie that we were hoping to pull. Here's a fireworks insert, Josh Allen, Bills. Cool little card there. And a Darrell Taylor, Seahawks rookie. Trying not to get my reflection in the camera, but it's hard to do with these shiny cards. All right, box number 3. Yeah, we do need it to pick up. We do. So last time we broke, we had quite a few of those black and white rookie variations. Haven't seen one tonight yet. Preston Smith, Packers. DJ Moore, Panthers. Nice Jerry Rice throwback to the Niners. Demario Davis, Saints. Andre Johnson, Texans. Mark Ingram, Ravens. Keenan Cole, Jaguars. Chad Johnson again, Bengals. Rashaan Evans, Titans. Dalvin Tomlinson, Giants. Mecole Hardman, Chiefs. Bryce Love, Washington. Keelan Doss, Raiders. Antonio Gates, green prism to the Chargers. AJ Green, red ice to the Bengals. Akeem Hicks, Bears. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. And Kyle Duggar, rookie to the Patriots. Here's a cool little insert. A Deebo Samuel, hype to the Niners. Looks like he's riding a motorcycle or something. The kids these days. And here's a Cole Kmet rookie. Nice hit there to the Bears. All right, we need a big name. This is not good so far, guys. The red ice they're cool looking cards, aren't they? Be nice if we can get some heat though. Dante Fowler, Falcons. Fred Warner, Niners. Michael Thomas, Saints. Trey Flowers, Lions. Shaquille Barrett, Bucks. Jarvis Landry, Browns. Kyle Van Noy, Dolphins. Troy Polamalu, Steelers. Le'Veon Bell, Jets. Dallas Goedert, Eagles. Damian Williams, Chiefs. Joe Theismann, Redskins. Joey Bosa, Chargers. There's a Larry Fitz, green prism to the Cardinals. Hall of Famer right there. Tremaine Edmonds, Bills, red ice. Amari Cooper, Cowboys. Ricky Jackson, throwback to the Saints. Is that the same pose? Is that the same exact picture from the card earlier tonight? Nice. Here's a nice hit to the Vikings. I don't know who got Vikings. Justin Jefferson. Red Ice rookie. Nice. Congrats, Vikings. Took a little while, but it picked up there. Julio Jones, Fireworks. Falcons. And an A.J. Dillon rookie to the Packers. Not a bad rookie card there. All right, so that box is a little better. Got two more. We need one of our big quarterbacks to show up. Tom Brady, that'd be cool. Get A.J. Dillon up there, all right. It's hit or miss with the Prizm, man. It's where the big boys play. Jared Goff, Rams. Keith Brooking, Falcons. Kyle Juszczyk, Niners. Jared Cook, Saints. Devontae Adams, Packers, base. J.J. Watt, Texans. Lamar Jackson, that's a nice base card. We'll get that one in the sleeve. D.D. Westbrook, Jags. Sam Hubbard, Bengals. Anthony Miller, Bears. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Kevin Byard, man, that guy keeps showing up. Kevin Byard. If you got a Kevin Byard fan out there, congrats. Titans. Nice. Here's a variation. See that black and white there? That's cool. Looks real good with the Raiders, too. Henry Ruggs. Las Vegas Raiders. My heart started pumping a little bit when I saw this one. But alas, it's only Kenny Anderson. That looks like a Prizm, doesn't it? It is. Cool Prizm there, but I wish it was
the current bigger.
Yeah, the one that we're looking for. Curtis Martin, Red Ice. That's a cool throwback to the Jets. Adrian Peterson to the Washington football team. Put in a couple good years for us. He'll be playing till he's 50. Jared Cook, again, to the Saints. Oh, man. Denzel Mims, rookie, to the Jets. Drew Lock, hype, to the Broncos. And a Jeff Okudah, rookie card to the Lions. Nice rookie there to the Lions. All right, let's get Ruggs up here. Yeah, we'll take Chubb down. All right, last box, guys. Good luck. All right, last box, guys. Deebo Samuel, Niners. Brian Burns, Panthers. KJ Wright, Seahawks. Here you go, Tom Brady base card. Nice hit there for the Bucks. Devin Singletary, Bills. Austin Hooper, Browns. Paris Campbell, Colts. Mark Andrews, good-looking tight end for the Ravens. Zeke Elliott, Cowboys. Javon Curse. Man, he had a stretch there where he was unblockable. Nice throwback there to the Titans. Alshon Jeffrey to the Eagles. Chris Jones, Chiefs. Ryan Kerrigan, Skins. My boy right there. Anthony Miller, green Prizm to the Bears. Oh, this is a cool little throwback. Joe Namath. Red Ice to the Jets. That's a cool card. Bryce Love, Washington. Traquan Smith, Saints. All right, that's a nice hit. Clyde Edwards-Helaire to the Chiefs. Nice red ice Prizm right there. Nice rookie. Daniil Hunter, Fireworks. And our last card of the night is Anthony McFarland Jr., rookie to the Steelers. Nice rookie card there to the Steelers.
Josh wants to know, are you a Skins fan?
I am a Skins fan, Josh. You can probably tell, right? Comes through. So we might eke into the playoffs, I guess, with a losing record. We'll see what happens. That's only if Haskins doesn't have to play. If he plays, we're doomed. Oh, cool. All right, guys. So we're gonna have a quick recap. That's right. My partner here is sleeving up these other Prizms. We'll go through some of these rookies. Okay. So here's some of our inserts here from tonight. Daniil Hunter, Fireworks. A Drew Lock, Hype. Sorry about the glare. Julio Jones, Fireworks. DJ Chark Jr., Brilliance. Josh Allen for the Bills. Bills are killing it this year. Hopefully they don't falter in the playoffs again. Deebo Samuel, Hype for the Niners. And then some of our Prizms here. Here's our green Prizms. Anthony Miller, Larry Fitz. Actually a nice, pretty cool hit if you're a Cards fan. Chad Johnson, Bengals. Kevin Byard, Titans. And Antonio Gates, another Hall of Famer, to the Chargers. All right. Some more Prizms here. Kenny Anderson to the Bengals. Bryce Love, Traquan Smith, Joe Namath. That's a cool hit for the Jets. Jared Cook, Adrian Peterson, Curtis Martin, Ricky Jackson, Amari Cooper, Tremaine Edmonds, Greg Zuerlein, Raekwon Davis, rookie to the Dolphins, Brian Dawkins, Quinnen Williams, Max Crosby, AJ Epineza, rookie to the Bills, Kyle Duggar, rookie to the Pats, Akeem Hicks for the Bears, Tyler Lockett, Seahawks, AJ Green, Bengals, Denzel Mims, rookie to the Jets, and a Nick Chubb. Nice card there to the Browns. So let's see what else we got here. Save that to the end. All right, we had a Devontae Adams, red ice to the Packers. A.J. Dillon, rookie to the Pack. Anthony McFarland Jr., rookie to the Steelers. A Jeff Okudah to the Lions. And Cole Kmet to the Bears. We did have a Kyler Murray base card also that will get sleeved up before we ship it. But we had this Tom Brady base to the Bucks. This Lamar Jackson base to the Ravens. A nice hit here for the Vikings. Justin Jefferson, that red ice. Man, these cards pop. So congrats, Vikings. Congrats, Raiders. Henry Ruggs III. And this is the black and white rookie variation. Nice card there. And then perhaps our hit of the night, Clyde Edwards-Hilaire. Red Ice rookie card to the Chiefs. So congrats, Chiefs. All right, guys. Appreciate you all participating in the break. So tomorrow night we have playoff football, which is a huge break. We have over 400 cards that are being broken. So if you want volume, that's the one to jump in on. And then we have mosaic football after that. And those are at 9 and 10. Auctions will be running from 6:30 to 7:30. So like I said, if you guys jump back in, just shoot us a message if you win any bids, and we'll make sure to give you a shipping discount. Thanks again. Appreciate it. See ya.